Yo, man, this your boy Superchargedlowe here back with the first video, man, to this little series. With this series, man, I'll be bringing y'all straight heat with all the Mopars, all the old schools, and other varieties of muscles, man. So, you see the title on the thumbnail, man. Picking up my 900 horsepower Charger, man. And I'm doing a strictly racing build up on this thing, man. I just have my boy Pablo over here sauce it up, you feel me? I'm gonna have Pablo make a little Instagram too the whole time, but you look ugly. Hey, Brown, I'm gonna hook up my boy Brown right here, man. Shano too real. I mean, god dang. What is it? Is it SRT Shano or Shano
Nah, I
for
was
real,
gonna
bro?
say it. Dope.
Yeah, hey, y'all. I'm gonna put, look, I'm gonna put his IG in the comments, man. I'm gonna put his IG in the comments. Y'all gonna have to come back to the video, man, because y'all need to follow him. But what's up? What's up with bro? What's up with his outfit? What's up with it?
I don't know what you got going on, but that shit terrible.
Yes.
You went there for like five weeks straight.
Yeah.
Nah, I say 5 years. He ain't never changed. So.
I've been wearing this since I was a kid, 2013. But all right, bro. Yeah, man, we on sauced up the little cat, man. I had this cat for a little minute. I was tired of it being stock. Feel me? I used to swing it a lot, but feel me? It's
Shit, I
time
mean,
to
if you want
race
me to
now.
swing, cause I know how to swing. Shit.
Oh no, I'm gonna get a different car for that. Stay tuned, y'all. Feel me? Still look stock from the dealership. I got the little the peanut butter interior, but it's not too peanut butter enough. I'm gonna make it a little bit more peanut butter. But I got that. What's that? The indigo blue on there. I got the regular SRT rims. And I still got my lip guard on here, my yellow lip guard. I picked this up. It was on the showroom, but it had 10 miles. But it was a 2019 cat. The dude never drove it though. He always kept it clean too. I put my little license plate on there, and yeah, man, this my cat right here. 900 horsepower. So I think about
horses.
putting some rims on here, maybe some Volanos or some Forgiatos. I want them to be gold or bronze. Not, I'm gonna go gold. It's gonna be like a little show car. I might race on it a couple times. Feel me? I don't know, man. It's really gonna. I really want this to be a race build though, and I want whatever I want to be next. My little slide build, my little build. You feel me? I might put a little turbo up in there. You feel me? Just cause.
I mean,
Uh,
shit. Why not? Go ahead.
well, I mean, why not? But what is this? My boy got a cat right here. What you got done in this, man?
Man, I ain't gonna lie, this shit stock as hell.
Stock.
But what I can say, them up know how to swing though.
I don't know if it's stock, man.
I gotta do a little. I gotta do a little touch up. No, just a little
Mm,
something.
some little coolie pack. uh,
Um,
but yeah, man, I might add a little coolie package to my little. You feel me? My little. Scapping.
she
But
did.
if y'all was wondering, I don't know if y'all was or was not. The Hellcat is not the only car I got. I got a Trackhawk. That's slide, but that's a different story. And believe it or not, I really got a CJ32's fleet collection, but y'all ain't ready for that yet. Comment down the
Oh,
video right now if y'all want, in the comments, man, if y'all want me to do a garage tour video, because y'all will like it, and that will really show y'all what cars I really mess with. If y'all didn't know what cars I mess with, let me say it right now. I like old schools. I like modern muscle. I like old muscle. I like clean forms, and I like big rims in a certain type of way. But you'll see what I mean by that. Uh, Thinking about copping a CTSV in the future. Might swing that around. Might be a little race build, road racing only. Yeah, man, that's what's up, man. Look, go follow my Instagram, SuperchargedLowe. Go follow my car club, SuperchargedCarClub. And it's only up from there. So right now we're gonna do a little drive video. We're gonna get back with y'all for a little bit of the channel expectations in the
too
future.
good.
And we're gonna see if Shano stuff stock for real. I might even roll a little cinematic, man. Matter of fact, let me roll a
It's
cinematic
stock,
right
man.
now. man. You see my boy, me and my boy was cutting up in traffic a little bit. We just got some gas up in there. Some little E85, you feel? I know running, man. Let's just say a little whip it, little whip now.
Feel me? I told you my shit was stock, boy.
He ain't even step on the roof when I gave him a little camera. I might be pushing though, but you know my next car. I don't know if tomorrow morning do I want to go show y'all the garage tour, or do I want to take y'all back to the crib and show y'all what I got, and then bring out that car? Or do I wait for the next video for that? I don't know. Y'all got to stay tuned, but it is kind of late. So me and my boy, I might just give y'all a little POV driving footage, me going back to the crib, or just us riding on the highway, riding around the city for a little minute, and then after that. No, after that, I'm gonna go inside my garage and show y'all my other little toy. Y'all gotta wait for that though.
Hey. Up a little toy.
I'll show you my other toy. Alright, no, we finna hit the highway though. Yeah. Alright, man, we here at the gas station, man. We're finna go ahead in the video right there. Me and my boy was cutting up. Ooh, cat camera. Oh, man, alright. Oh, okay. Wait, go ahead and. Okay, go show out. Come on, go ahead, guy. You got it. Oh, yeah. Dang, it is stock. I thought you was running before.
Stop.
Seemed like me and my other car go. My scap. Yeah, man, I don't know when that video gonna drop though. Let me look at my baby, man. She dirty, man. Time to go ahead in that video.
Let me put that up.
That's what's up. It's time for my junk up too. I ain't gonna lie. My junk running. That little 900 running. It's like faster though, but hey, it don't even matter, man. Did I just hit baby across the street? Yeah, man. So look, hey, I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna go ahead and get some sleep. When I wake up, we right back outside. I'm gonna bring my other little toy out. And
yes,
that's just the business. So y'all gotta wait next episode to see my little toy, man. Look, man, it's been a fun little video. Hopefully this series blow up. Let's go crazy. Let's have fun with it. Let's do some car meets in the future for some videos. And give me your thoughts down below, man. It's Supercharged Low here.